So making sure you have the right BIOS checking when it comes to RecalBox 10.0.8 is pretty much straightforward, sort of. There's one exception. Usually when you're finding the name, whether it's SCPH5500 bin, they will all have similar names like this, but there are some that have different names, and I know it gets a little confusing, but let's just for the first part, if you can find one that has the actual name, then it's pretty straightforward. But you may notice two things. One, if it has a dash in the file name, you're going to want to remove the dash when you put it in the BIOS folder of RecalBox. It doesn't have its own folder, so don't go be looking for whatever the code name you think it might be, like PSX. You're just going to put it in the root folder of the BIOS. It's not going to have its own folder. So also another thing to notice, you might notice that, hey, this one never seems to work no matter which one I do. Well, there are alternatives you can use. The one alternative I used, it was a file labeled as this SCPH, but the number was 5552. I got that one and renamed it. Instead of 5552, renamed it as 5502. And as you can see, the MD5 and everything checks out. There's no issues. Everything gets a thumbs up. But there was also another issue. If you can't find that one in particular, the 5552, you can also look up a file name, usually PS-30E. That one should work. I have not confirmed it, but that one should work for the 5502 issue. Same thing with 5501. If you find this one, that should work the way it is, but they go under different names, but it's pretty much the same file. You can look for PS30A, and that should be a good replacement. Or you may have to replace it with the 7003. That can also be another one that can match. But luckily for me, the 5501 had no issues. And then comes this one. Also, you may have the same issue. If your 5500 does not work, you're going to be looking for PS-30J. And if that doesn't work, the other alternative would be the no, that's it. It's just 5500. So if you can't find 5500, then the next alternative is to find PS30J and rename it the SCPH5500. So those should all be the ones that work for the RecalBox, at least as of 10.0.8. These will work fine in the RecalBox, and I believe that's it. And if you're having any issues, let me know. But that is what the information that I have. These three usually are the culprits that you may have issue with. So this has been Father McFosfos. I hope you found any of this helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe.